Moringa oleifera is a plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine in South Asia. It's also known as the miracle tree due to its numerous health benefits. The leaves of the Moringa tree are especially beneficial for hair health and have been shown to thicken hair and promote hair growth. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair growth. They contain high levels of vitamin A, which is necessary for producing sebum, a natural oil that moisturizes the scalp and keeps hair healthy. Vitamin A is also crucial for protecting hair from damage caused by free radicals. Moringa leaves are also rich in vitamin C, which is vital for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that's essential for healthy hair growth and helps keep hair strong and healthy. In addition to vitamins, Moringa leaves are also rich in minerals such as iron, zinc, and calcium, all of which are vital for healthy hair growth. Iron helps to carry oxygen to the hair follicles, while zinc helps to maintain a healthy scalp and prevent hair loss. Calcium is essential for hair growth and helps to strengthen hair follicles. Moringa leaves are also rich in amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. Protein is vital for healthy hair growth, and a lack of protein can lead to weak, brittle hair. The amino acids in Moringa leaves help to build strong, healthy hair and prevent breakage. One of the most significant benefits of Moringa leaves for hair health is their ability to thicken hair. Moringa leaves contain a compound called zinc, which has been shown to stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth. Zinc also helps to improve the texture and thickness of hair, making it look fuller and more voluminous. There are various ways to incorporate Moringa leaves into your diet or hair care routine to reap the benefits of this powerful plant. Moringa leaves can be eaten raw or cooked, and they can also be dried and ground into a powder. Moringa leaf powder can be added to smoothies, juices, or other foods to boost their nutritional value. You can also find Moringa leaf supplements in capsule form. Another way to use Moringa leaves for hair health is to apply them topically. Moringa leaf oil can be used as a hair treatment to moisturize the scalp and promote hair growth. You can also make a hair mask using Moringa leaf powder and other natural ingredients such as yogurt or honey to nourish and strengthen your hair. Moringa leaves can also be used in conjunction with other natural ingredients to create hair care products that promote healthy hair growth. For example, Moringa leaf oil can be mixed with coconut oil or avocado oil to create a deep conditioning treatment for your hair. This treatment will help to moisturize your hair, reduce split ends, and promote healthy hair growth.